Hello guys, Abhishek here. So today I will be helping you guys to do the third lab of our generative AI pathway. So let's begin. So click on that pathway and then go to unlocking AI potential, and we are doing the third lab. So click on the third lab, click start lab. So first of all, let me give you guys an overview of this lab, like what this lab is actually about. And as you can see from the title, this lab is actually about prompt design and related to prompt engineering and all. So let me give you an overview, like what we will actually explore in this lab. So in this lab, we will get hands-on experience with the Vertex AI Palm API. So, what is PALM? Well, it stands for Prompt Language Model, and it's a very powerful tool that allows you to structure prompts in a flexible way. You can add all sort of text content like contextual information, instructions, examples, questions, lists, and more. Basically, तुम लोग prompts generate कर सकते हो, and also we'll be exploring how to get started with prompt engineering. We'll discover best practices for prompt engineering and craft prompts that get the results you want. We will explore zero shot, one shot, and few shot prompt engineering in this lab, and also different use cases for text generation using Palm API that I have already mentioned. So yeah, let's begin the lab. So right click on open Google Cloud Console and open link in incognito window. It is compulsory to open it in incognito window each lab. So we can prevent the clashes of your Gmail ID. So it is compulsory. So remember it carefully. So we'll click on it and click next. We'll get a unique and different student ID for Gmail and password as well. So we'll paste the password. You can read the basic stuff if you want, like how to start the lab and all other things related to lab. So click on I understand. Take few seconds to load the terms and condition. Click on agree, and here search Vertex AI. Okay. So you will get option workbench under Vertex AI. So click on that. It will take few seconds to load. So here we must get an instance here. So इधर अभी हमारे पास नहीं आ रहा, तो we will wait for few minutes and see कि आता है या नहीं. अगर तब भी तुम्हारे पास instance name नहीं आ रहा है, तो you can restart the lab. But few minutes करने के बाद आ जाएगा. So let's wait for few minutes. You can click on refresh continuously. But in most of the cases, you will see your instance when you click on user manage notebooks. So let's click on it. As you can see, I got my instance name. So then you have to click on open Jupyter Lab. So it will take couple of seconds to load it in the new tab. So after clicking on the Jupyter Lab, a new window will open and we will get this type of interface. So now we have to click on generative AI folder, and then we have to go to the language folder, and then go to the prompts folder. You can see all of these instructions on your lab documentation page. You can see your task one Vertex A workbench. All the things are mentioned here step by step. We have to first go on generative AI, then language, then click on intro prompt design. So let's click on. So now here we have to press Control A, and if you are using Mac, then press Command A, and then click on run selected cells. So here you can see the timer. All the cells which we have selected are executing here. So let's wait for the timer to be completed. Now, as you can see, the timer has completed and it is shown here that 20 cells are executed. So now let's continue. Now click on the examples folder, and from here you should go you can select any one file. Like I'm selecting here ideation file and click here, and again we have to press Control A, and if you are using Mac, Command A, and then similar process. Click on run selected cells, and wait for the timer to be completed. Here you can check the update, like 5 cells are executed out of 14. So yeah, let's wait. So yeah, that was all for this lab. Like we have to select the cells and just run it. So let's see that we have got our uh, progress completed or not. Click on check my progress on task 2. It will take a couple of seconds to show the update. So yeah, now click on the second check my progress and so on. Also, do not worry if your check box is not checking, because sometimes it takes some more time to be updated. Like थोड़ा टाइम लगता है चेक करने में, इधर ट्रैक करने में तुम्हारा लैब, बट डोंट वरी, इट विल गेट अपडेटेड इन 1 or 2 minutes आफ्टर वेटिंग. सो यार बहुत ही सिंपल लैब था, बट आई रिकमेंड कि मैंने इधर डायरेक्ट किया क्योंकि आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट इन द आर्केड गेम. बट तुम लोग ठीक से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, लाइक जितना थियरी इधर दिया है या अलग से भी देख सकते हो थियरी वगैरह. And yeah, also you can ask me or the other walls if you are not getting something, any concept or any step in the lab. So we have checked all the assessments. So let us verify again from the top. Yeah. We have checked all the check my progress ticks. So yeah, let's end the lab and click on sub. So let's see. Okay, third lab में टिका है या नहीं? Can refresh it if it does not showing a tick mark on your third lab. So as you can see कि मेरे third lab पे tick आ चुका है. So yeah, I will see you in the next lab. So yeah, keep doing the hands-on part and keep asking doubts. Happy exploring.